Video 3. 500 solved MCQs on. Subject: Pharmaceutics. Topic: Pharmaceutical Technology and Quality Control. Respected pharmacists, to save your precious time, we are giving the questions and their direct answers, while skipping the 3 wrong options. Understand that question well first, and then the answer. Then move to the next. Nothing is impossible. You can achieve your goal. Burn the boats. Sit dedicated like, now or never. Work hard and pray to Allah at Tahajjud time, specially. No doubt, you will get through it, inshallah. Let's begin. 1. What is the process of converting powder into granules called? Answer: granulation. 2. Which mixing equipment is most suitable for powder blending? Answer: B. Blender. 3. What is the most common method for tablet coating? Answer: film coating. 4. What is the purpose of disintegrants in tablets? Answer: to aid in the breakup of the tablet in the gastrointestinal tract. 5. Which method is used for sterilizing heat-sensitive liquids? Answer: filtration. 6. What is the ideal temperature for autoclaving? Answer: 121 degrees Celsius. 7. Which test measures the strength of tablets against chipping? Answer: friability test. 8. What is the term for the uniformity of drug content in dosage forms? Answer: content uniformity. 9. Which equipment is used for particle size analysis? Answer: sieve shaker. 10. What is the acceptable range for tablet hardness? Answer: 4 to 8 kg per square centimeter. 11. What is the purpose of a lubricant in tablet formulation? Answer: to reduce friction during tablet compression. 12. What is the primary purpose of enteric coating? Answer: to protect the drug from stomach acid. 13. What is the technique used to determine drug release from dosage forms? Answer: dissolution test. 14. What is the primary function of preservatives in liquid formulations? Answer: to prevent microbial growth. 15. What is the principle of gas chromatography? Answer: separation of compounds based on their volatility. 16. Which instrument is used to measure the melting point of a substance? Answer: melting point apparatus. 17. What is the purpose of using a binder in tablet formulations? Answer: to provide cohesion to the powder mixture. 18. Which method is used to sterilize surgical instruments? Answer: autoclaving. 19. What is the USP recommended test for determining tablet disintegration time? Answer: disintegration test. 20. Which type of flow property is measured by an angle of repose? Answer: powder flowability. 21. What is the significance of the Hausner ratio? Answer: to assess powder flow properties. 22. What is the function of diluents in tablet formulation? Answer: to increase the bulk of the tablet. 23. Which sterilization method uses ionizing radiation? Answer: gamma irradiation. 24. What is the role of surfactants in emulsions? Answer. To stabilize the emulsion. 25. What is the standard test to evaluate the stability of pharmaceutical products? Answer. Stability testing. 26. What is the primary reason for coating tablets? Answer. To improve appearance and stability. 27. What is the most common solvent used in HPLC? Answer. Methanol. 28. Which device is used to measure tablet thickness? Answer. Vernier caliper. 29. What is the purpose of viscosity enhancers in suspensions? Answer. To improve physical stability. 30. What is the acceptable limit for friability loss in tablets? Answer. Not more than 1%. 31. Which test is used to assess the uniformity of weight in tablets? Answer. Weight variation test. 32. What is the function of antioxidants in formulations? Answer. To prevent oxidation. 33. Which type of mixing is used for highly viscous liquids? Answer. Planetary mixing. 34. What is the function of humectants in semisolid formulations? Answer. To retain moisture. 35. What is the principle of UV visible spectroscopy? Answer. Absorption of light in the UV vis range. 36. What is the role of gluidants in tablet formulation? Answer. To improve powder flow properties. 37. What is the process of compressing tablets without granulation called? Answer. Direct compression. 38. What is the purpose of sterilization validation? Answer. To ensure the effectiveness of the sterilization process. 39. Which test measures the drug's ability to dissolve over time? Answer. Dissolution test. 40. What is the purpose of overprinting on tablets? Answer. Identification and branding. 41. What is the commonly used preservative in syrups? Answer. Sodium benzoate. 42. Which parameter is tested in the hardness test for tablets? Answer. Crushing strength. 43. What is the function of plasticizers in tablet coating? Answer. To improve flexibility. 44. Which technique is used for particle size reduction? Answer. Milling. 45. What is the primary advantage of using soft gelatin capsules? Answer. Improved bioavailability of poorly soluble drugs. 46. Which apparatus is used for dissolution testing? Answer. USP dissolution apparatus. 47. What is the function of buffers in formulations? Answer. To maintain pH stability. 48. What is the most commonly used antioxidant in creams? Answer. Butylated hydroxytoluene BHT. 49. What is the recommended storage condition for hygroscopic drugs? Answer. In a dry and sealed container. 50. Which parameter is evaluated in the stability testing of pharmaceuticals? Answer. Shelf life. 51. What is the purpose of using seal coating in tablet manufacturing? Answer. To prevent moisture penetration. 52. Which instrument is used to measure tablet disintegration time? Answer: disintegration tester. 53. What is the term for the release of a drug in a controlled manner over time? Answer: sustained release. 54. Which type of granulation involves the use of heat or moisture? Answer: wet granulation. 55. What is the primary purpose of a desiccant in pharmaceutical packaging? Answer: to absorb moisture. 56. What is the function of sorbitol in oral solutions? Answer: sweetener and humectant. 57. Which equipment is commonly used for drying granules? Answer: fluidized bed dryer. 58. What is the purpose of the primary packaging in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to protect the product from environmental factors. 59. What is the purpose of using a chelating agent in formulations? Answer: to bind metal ions. 60. Which method is used to sterilize ophthalmic solutions? Answer: filtration sterilization. 61. What is the key parameter measured in a viscosity test? Answer: resistance to flow. 62. What is the role of talc in tablet formulation? Answer: glutant and lubricant. 63. What is the purpose of accelerated stability testing? Answer: to predict the shelf life of a product. 64. Which test is used to determine the compressibility of powders? Answer: Carr's index. 65. What is the purpose of using titanium dioxide in formulations? Answer: as a whitening agent. 66. Which type of emulsion is stabilized by oil-soluble surfactants? Answer: water in oil emulsion. 67. What is the purpose of blister packaging in tablets? Answer: protection from light and moisture. 68. What is the standard pore size for sterilizing filters? Answer: 0.22 microns. 69. What is the function of a coating pan in tablet manufacturing? Answer: to apply coating on tablets. 70. What is the recommended test for evaluating microbiological contamination in products? Answer: microbial limit test. 71. Which polymer is commonly used for enteric coating? Answer: cellulose acetate phthalate. 72. What is the purpose of using ethanol in tinctures? Answer: solvent and preservative. 73. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in suppositories? Answer: base material. 74. What is the term for the time taken for half the drug to dissolve in a dissolution medium? Answer: half-life. 75. Which instrument is used to measure the angle of repose? Answer: funnel. 76. What is the purpose of using sodium bicarbonate in effervescent tablets? Answer: to produce effervescence. 77. What is the function of methylparaben in cosmetics? Answer: preservative. 78. What is the purpose of using a capsule polisher? Answer: to remove excess powder from capsules. 79. What is the purpose of using sucrose in lozenges? Answer. Sweetener and bulking agent. 80. What is the recommended test for evaluating friability? Answer. Friability test. 81. What is the purpose of lyophilization in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer. To produce freeze-dried products. 82. What is the function of xanthan gum in suspensions? Answer. Thickening agent. 83. What is the purpose of using a vacuum oven in drying? Answer. To dry heat-sensitive materials. 84. What is the function of mannitol in chewable tablets? Answer. Sweetener and diluent. 85. What is the recommended test for ensuring the safety of parenteral products? Answer. Pyrogen test. 86. What is the purpose of using a roller compactor in granulation? Answer. To produce granules by dry granulation. 87. What is the function of isopropyl alcohol in disinfectants? Answer. Antimicrobial agent. 88. What is the purpose of sieve analysis in quality control? Answer. To determine particle size distribution. 89. Which coating technique uses atomized liquid droplets? Answer. Spray coating. 90. What is the function of an emulsifying agent in emulsions? Answer. To stabilize the emulsion. 91. What is the role of potassium sorbate in formulations? Answer. Preservative. 92. What is the purpose of performing leak tests in packaging? Answer. To ensure the integrity of the packaging. 93. What is the function of magnesium stearate in tablet manufacturing? Answer. Lubricant. 94. What is the purpose of using a spectrophotometer in quality control? Answer. To measure absorbance. 95. What is the primary purpose of stability chambers in pharmaceuticals? Answer. To conduct stability studies. 96. Which type of capsule is made of gelatin? Answer. Hard gelatin capsules. 97. What is the purpose of using sodium chloride in injections? Answer. To maintain isotonicity. 98. What is the function of starch in tablet formulations? Answer. Binder and disintegrant. 99. What is the purpose of a rotary tablet press? Answer. To produce tablets. 100. What is the function of citric acid in syrups? Answer. Acidulant. 101. What is the purpose of using titanium dioxide in tablet coatings? Answer. To provide opacity. 102. What is the function of sodium benzoate in liquid formulations? Answer. Preservative. 103. What is the purpose of a hardness tester in tablet manufacturing? Answer. To measure tablet hardness. 104. What is the recommended temperature for autoclaving pharmaceutical products? Answer. 121 degrees Celsius. 105. What is the function of hydroxypropyl methylcellulose in sustained-release tablets? Answer. Matrix-forming agent. 106. What is the primary use of an electronic balance in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer. To weigh materials accurately. 107. What is the purpose of friability testing in tablets? Answer: to evaluate the tablet's mechanical strength. 108. What is the function of glycerin in ointments? Answer: humectant. 109. What is the purpose of sieve shakers in quality control? Answer: to facilitate particle size analysis. 110. What is the role of benzalkonium chloride in ophthalmic solutions? Answer: preservative. 111. What is the function of a hot air oven in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer: to sterilize equipment. 112. What is the purpose of using enteric coating on tablets? Answer: to prevent disintegration in the stomach. 113. What is the role of acacia in suspensions? Answer: suspending agent. 114. What is the function of lactose in tablet formulations? Answer: diluent. 115. What is the purpose of using a roller mill in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer: to reduce particle size. 116. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in ointments? Answer: base material. 117. What is the purpose of disintegration testing in tablets? Answer: to determine the time required for tablets to break apart. 118. What is the function of sodium lauryl sulfate in formulations? Answer: surfactant. 119. What is the purpose of coating tablets with sugar? Answer: to mask unpleasant taste. 120. What is the role of triethanolamine in creams? Answer: pH adjuster. 121. What is the function of a laminar airflow hood in aseptic processing? Answer: to provide a sterile environment. 122. What is the purpose of performing a dissolution test? Answer: to determine drug release rate. 123. What is the role of a rotary evaporator in manufacturing? Answer: to remove solvents. 124. What is the function of criscarmalose sodium in tablets? Answer: disintegrant. 125. What is the purpose of using polyvinyl alcohol in film coating? Answer: film forming agent. 126. What is the role of ascorbic acid in formulations? Answer: antioxidant. 127. What is the function of a vacuum pump in freeze drying? Answer: to create low pressure conditions. 128. What is the purpose of using amber bottles in packaging? Answer: to protect from light. 129. What is the role of calcium carbonate in chewable tablets? Answer: antacid. 130. What is the function of colloidal silicon dioxide in formulations? Answer: glutant. 131. What is the purpose of conducting microbial testing on raw materials? Answer: to ensure material sterility. 132. What is the role of methylcellulose in ophthalmic preparations? Answer: viscosity enhancer. 133. What is the function of a granulator in manufacturing? Answer: to produce granules. 134. What is the purpose of using ethanol in topical products? Answer: solvent. 135. What is the role of a homogenizer in emulsion preparation? Answer: to create uniform particle size. 136. What is the function of an ultrasonic bath in cleaning? Answer: to remove contaminants using ultrasonic waves. 137. What is the purpose of viscosity measurement in suspensions? Answer: to assess flow properties. 138. What is the role of dimethicone in creams? Answer: emollient. 139. What is the function of a planetary mixer in manufacturing? Answer: to mix viscous materials. 140. What is the purpose of conducting visual inspection on ampules? Answer: to detect particulate contamination. 141. What is the role of sodium chloride in nasal sprays? Answer: to maintain isotonicity. 142. What is the function of a peristaltic pump in liquid filling? Answer: to transfer liquids without contamination. 143. What is the purpose of using antioxidants in formulations? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 144. What is the role of a spray dryer in manufacturing? Answer: to produce dry powder from liquid. 145. What is the function of carbomer in gels? Answer: thickening agent. 146. What is the purpose of a stability study in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to determine product shelf life. 147. What is the role of isopropyl myristate in formulations? Answer: skin penetration enhancer. 148. What is the function of an HPLC system in quality control? Answer: to analyze chemical composition. 149. What is the purpose of nitrogen purging in vials? Answer: to displace oxygen. 150. What is the role of beeswax in ointments? Answer: thickening agent. 151. What is the function of magnesium stearate in tablet formulations? Answer: lubricant. 152. What is the purpose of using a spectrophotometer in quality control? Answer: to measure absorbance of light. 153. What is the role of mannitol in chewable tablets? Answer: sweetener. 154. What is the function of citric acid in effervescent tablets? Answer: acid source for effervescence. 155. What is the purpose of lyophilization in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to improve stability of biologics. 156. What is the role of talc in powder formulations? Answer: glutant. 157. What is the function of benzyl alcohol in injectables? Answer: preservative. 158. What is the purpose of blister packaging in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to protect tablets from moisture. 159. What is the role of ethyl cellulose in modified release tablets? Answer: film forming agent. 160. What is the function of tween-80 in emulsions? Answer: emulsifying agent. 161. What is the purpose of a disintegration test in quality control? Answer: to ensure proper breakdown of tablets. 162. What is the role of potassium sorbate in formulations? Answer: preservative. 163. What is the function of a fluidized bed dryer in manufacturing? Answer: to dry granules. 164. What is the purpose of using sodium bicarbonate in effervescent formulations? Answer: alkaline source for effervescence. 165. What is the role of aspartame in oral dosage forms? Answer: artificial sweetener. 166. What is the function of a tablet deduster in production? Answer: to remove excess powder from tablets. 167. What is the purpose of using PVP polyvinylpyrrolidone in granulation? Answer: binder. 168. What is the role of kaolin in antidiarrheal formulations? Answer: adsorbent. 169. What is the function of a vacuum oven in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to dry heat-sensitive materials. 170. What is the purpose of overwrapping in pharmaceutical packaging? Answer: to ensure tamper-evident packaging. 171. What is the role of paraffin in ointments? Answer: base material. 172. What is the function of sodium starch glycolate in tablets? Answer: disintegrant. 173. What is the purpose of a prehabilitor in tablet quality testing? Answer: to evaluate tablet durability. 174. What is the role of isopropanol in disinfection? Answer: antimicrobial agent. 175. What is the function of guar gum in suspensions? Answer: thickening agent. 176. What is the purpose of using a hardness tester in tablet evaluation? Answer: to measure resistance to crushing. 177. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in suppositories? Answer: base material. 178. What is the function of triacetin in soft gel capsules? Answer: plasticizer. 179. What is the purpose of microbial limit testing in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to ensure acceptable microbial content. 180. What is the role of a tablet coating pan in manufacturing? Answer: to apply coatings on tablets. 181. What is the function of microcrystalline cellulose in tablet formulations? Answer: binder and filler. 182. What is the purpose of using a viscometer in formulation development? Answer: to measure viscosity. 183. What is the role of a sieve analyzer in manufacturing? Answer: to determine particle size distribution. 184. What is the function of parabens in topical formulations? Answer: preservative. 185. What is the purpose of accelerated stability testing? Answer: to predict shelf life. 186. What is the role of lecithin in emulsions? Answer: emulsifier. 187. What is the function of sodium alginate in suspensions? Answer: suspending agent. 188. What is the purpose of a pyrogen test in parenterals? Answer: to detect fever-inducing substances. 189. What is the role of xylitol in chewable tablets? Answer: sweetener. 190. What is the function of a rotary press in tablet manufacturing? Answer: to compress powders into tablets. 191. What is the purpose of light-resistant containers in packaging? Answer: to protect from photodegradation. 192. What is the role of methylparaben in liquid formulations? Answer: preservative. 193. What is the function of a water bath in testing? Answer: to maintain consistent temperature. 194. What is the purpose of a dehumidifier in production areas? Answer: to control humidity levels. 195. What is the role of sorbitol in syrups? Answer: sweetening agent. 196. What is the function of an endotoxin test in injectables? Answer: to detect bacterial endotoxins. 197. What is the purpose of a dissolution apparatus in quality control? Answer: to assess drug release from dosage forms. 198. What is the role of glycerol in suppositories? Answer: plasticizer. 199. What is the function of sodium citrate in oral solutions? Answer: buffering agent. 200. What is the purpose of using nitrogen in parenteral packaging? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 201. What is the role of titanium dioxide in tablet formulations? Answer: opacifier. 202. What is the function of aerosil in powder formulations? Answer: anticaking agent. 203. What is the purpose of using sorbic acid in formulations? Answer: preservative. 204. What is the role of silicon dioxide in tablet manufacturing? Answer: glutant. 205. What is the function of a laminar flow hood in production? Answer: to maintain a sterile environment. 206. What is the purpose of using a cooling tunnel in manufacturing? Answer: to solidify molten materials. 207. What is the role of polyethylene oxide in controlled release formulations? Answer: matrix former. 208. What is the function of ascorbic acid in formulations? Answer: antioxidant. 209. What is the purpose of using high-performance liquid chromatography (HPLC) in quality control? Answer: to analyze compound purity. 210. What is the role of sodium benzoate in liquid preparations? Answer: preservative. 211. What is the function of a rotary evaporator in formulation development? Answer: to remove solvents. 212. What is the purpose of using heat-sealed packaging? Answer: to prevent contamination. 213. What is the role of boric acid in ophthalmic solutions? Answer: buffering agent. 214. What is the function of hypermellus in ophthalmic preparations? Answer: viscosity enhancer. 215. What is the purpose of a Karl Fischer titrator in quality control? Answer: to measure water content. 216. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in topical formulations? Answer: solvent. 217. What is the function of a spray dryer in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer: to produce dry powders. 218. What is the purpose of using ethylparaben in formulations? Answer: preservative. 219. What is the role of triethanolamine in emulsions? Answer: pH adjuster. 220. What is the function of a homogenizer in emulsion preparation? Answer: to reduce particle size. 221. What is the purpose of stability studies in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to determine shelf life. 222. What is the role of dextran in plasma expanders? Answer: osmotic agent. 223. What is the function of a perforated coating pan in tablet manufacturing? Answer: to apply uniform coatings. 224. What is the purpose of using isopropyl myristate in topical preparations? Answer: enhances skin penetration. 225. What is the role of sodium bicarbonate in antacids? Answer: neutralizes stomach acid. 226. What is the function of benzalkonium chloride in ophthalmic solutions? Answer: preservative. 227. What is the purpose of a tablet hardness tester? Answer: to measure mechanical strength. 228. What is the role of methylcellulose in suspensions? Answer: thickening agent. 229. What is the function of a freeze dryer in manufacturing? Answer: to preserve heat-sensitive drugs. 230. What is the purpose of bulk density testing in powder formulations? Answer: to evaluate flow properties. 231. What is the role of dimethicone in topical products? Answer: skin protectant. 232. What is the function of sodium lauryl sulfate in formulations? Answer: surfactant. 233. What is the purpose of headspace gas analysis in parenterals? Answer: to detect oxygen levels. 234. What is the role of mannitol in lyophilized products? Answer: bulking agent. 235. What is the function of an incubator in microbiological testing? Answer: to grow microorganisms. 236. What is the purpose of nitrogen flushing in ampule filling? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 237. What is the role of glycerin in oral solutions? Answer: sweetening and thickening agent. 238. What is the function of zinc oxide in topical ointments? Answer: skin protectant. 239. What is the purpose of using amber-colored containers in packaging? Answer: To protect against light. 240. What is the role of povidone iodine in antiseptic formulations? Answer. Antimicrobial agent. 241. What is the function of magnesium carbonate in chewable tablets? Answer. Antacid. 242. What is the purpose of tablet friability testing? Answer. To assess tablet resistance to abrasion. 243. What is the role of acetone in manufacturing processes? Answer. Solvent. 244. What is the function of lanolin in topical creams? Answer. Emollient. 245. What is the purpose of sterilization validation in manufacturing? Answer. To ensure sterility. 246. What is the role of polyvinyl alcohol in ophthalmic formulations? Answer. Lubricant. 247. What is the function of chitosan in drug delivery systems? Answer. Bioadhesive. 248. What is the purpose of endotoxin removal in parenteral production? Answer. To ensure safety. 249. What is the role of starch in capsule formulations? Answer. Filler. 250. What is the function of a high shear granulator in manufacturing? Answer. To mix and granulate powders. 251. What is the purpose of content uniformity testing in tablets? Answer. To ensure consistent drug distribution. 252. What is the role of sodium alginate in controlled release formulations? Answer. Gelling agent. 253. What is the function of potassium sorbate in liquid preparations? Answer. Preservative. 254. What is the purpose of using a sieve shaker in manufacturing? Answer. To assess particle size distribution. 255. What is the role of talc in tablet manufacturing? Answer. Lubricant. 256. What is the function of an autoclave in pharmaceutical production? Answer. Sterilization. 257. What is the purpose of a refractometer in quality control? Answer. To measure refractive index. 258. What is the role of propylene glycol in oral liquids? Answer. Solvent. 259. What is the function of calcium carbonate in antacid tablets? Answer. Acid neutralizer. 260. What is the purpose of disintegration testing in tablet formulations? Answer. To measure breakdown time. 261. What is the role of aspartame in oral preparations? Answer. Artificial sweetener. 262. What is the function of a hot air oven in manufacturing? Answer. Dry heat sterilization. 263. What is the purpose of using citric acid in effervescent tablets? Answer. Reactant for effervescence. 264. What is the role of ethanol in tinctures? Answer. Solvent. 265. What is the function of methylparaben in liquid formulations? Answer. Preservative. 266. What is the purpose of visual inspection in parenteral products? Answer. To detect particulates. 267. What is the role of sodium citrate in buffer systems? Answer: pH stabilizer. 268. What is the function of a moisture analyzer in quality control? Answer: to measure moisture content. 269. What is the purpose of roller compaction in dry granulation? Answer: to form granules. 270. What is the role of povidone in solid dosage forms? Answer: binder. 271. What is the function of stearic acid in tablet manufacturing? Answer: lubricant. 272. What is the purpose of accelerated stability studies? Answer: to predict shelf life. 273. What is the role of benzoic acid in oral syrups? Answer: preservative. 274. What is the function of lactose in tablet formulations? Answer: filler. 275. What is the purpose of vacuum drying in pharmaceutical production? Answer: to remove moisture. 276. What is the role of microcrystalline cellulose in tablet formulations? Answer: diluent. 277. What is the function of a pH meter in quality control? Answer: to measure pH. 278. What is the purpose of using gelatin in capsule shells? Answer: shell formation. 279. What is the role of polyethylene glycol in suppositories? Answer: base material. 280. What is the function of a UV spectrophotometer in analysis? Answer: to measure absorbance. 281. What is the purpose of friability testing in tablet production? Answer: to assess durability. 282. What is the role of polyethylene in packaging materials? Answer: moisture barrier. 283. What is the function of a fluidized bed dryer in manufacturing? Answer: to dry granules. 284. What is the purpose of using sodium chloride in intravenous solutions? Answer: electrolyte replacement. 285. What is the role of benzyl alcohol in injectable formulations? Answer: preservative. 286. What is the function of xanthan gum in suspensions? Answer: thickening agent. 287. What is the purpose of tablet coating? Answer: to protect the tablet and mask taste. 288. What is the role of sorbitol in sugar-free syrups? Answer: sweetener. 289. What is the function of citric acid in oral solutions? Answer: flavor enhancer. 290. What is the purpose of nitrogen purging in sterile production? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 291. What is the role of kaolin in antidiarrheal formulations? Answer: adsorbent. 292. What is the function of a refractometer in liquid formulation analysis? Answer: to determine concentration. 293. What is the purpose of alum in vaccines? Answer: adjuvant. 294. What is the role of isopropyl alcohol in disinfectants? Answer: antiseptic. 295. What is the function of magnesium stearate in tablets? Answer: lubricant. 296. What is the purpose of viscosity testing in liquids? Answer: to ensure consistency. 297. What is the role of polyvinylpyrrolidone (PVP) in solid dosage forms? Answer: binder. 298. What is the function of sodium saccharin in syrups? Answer: sweetener. 299. What is the purpose of bulk density testing in powders? Answer: to evaluate flow properties. 300. What is the role of titanium dioxide in capsules? Answer: opacifier. 301. What is the purpose of sterility testing in parenteral products? Answer: to ensure the product is free from microorganisms. 302. What is the role of glycerin in ointments? Answer: humectant. 303. What is the function of a stability chamber in quality control? Answer: to simulate storage conditions. 304. What is the purpose of bulk density testing in granules? Answer: to determine packing efficiency. 305. What is the role of sodium benzoate in syrups? Answer: preservative. 306. What is the function of an osmometer in pharmaceutical analysis? Answer: to measure osmolarity. 307. What is the purpose of temperature mapping in storage facilities? Answer: to monitor temperature consistency. 308. What is the role of bentonite in suspensions? Answer: suspending agent. 309. What is the function of a rotary tablet press? Answer: to compress powder into tablets. 310. What is the purpose of hardness testing in tablets? Answer: to measure mechanical strength. 311. What is the role of sodium bicarbonate in effervescent tablets? Answer: reactant for carbon dioxide release. 312. What is the function of a friabilitor in quality testing? Answer: to test tablet durability. 313. What is the purpose of inline filters in liquid manufacturing? Answer: to remove particulates. 314. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in ointments? Answer: solvent. 315. What is the function of a viscometer in quality control? Answer: to measure viscosity. 316. What is the purpose of using starch in tablet formulations? Answer: binder and disintegrant. 317. What is the role of carbomer in topical gels? Answer: thickening agent. 318. What is the function of a sonicator in laboratory testing? Answer: to enhance solubility. 319. What is the purpose of leachability testing in packaging? Answer: to ensure no harmful substances leach into the product. 320. What is the role of dimethicone in creams? Answer: skin protectant. 321. What is the function of silica gel in moisture control? Answer: desiccant. 322. What is the purpose of dissolution testing in tablet production? Answer: to measure drug release. 323. What is the role of hypermellus HPMC in tablets? Answer: film forming agent. 324. What is the function of a homogenizer in emulsion preparation? Answer: to reduce droplet size. 325. What is the purpose of light-proof packaging for certain drugs? Answer: to protect from photodegradation. 326. What is the role of citric acid in buffer systems? Answer: pH adjuster. 327. What is the function of titanium dioxide in tablet coatings? Answer: opacifier. 328. What is the purpose of sieve analysis in powders? Answer: to determine particle size distribution. 329. What is the role of benzalkonium chloride in ophthalmic solutions? Answer: preservative. 330. What is the function of a high-performance liquid chromatography (HPLC) system? Answer: to separate and analyze components. 331. What is the purpose of inline homogenization in manufacturing? Answer: to ensure uniform mixing. 332. What is the role of lactose in dry powder inhalers? Answer: carrier. 333. What is the function of sodium chloride in nasal sprays? Answer: isotonic agent. 334. What is the purpose of terminal sterilization in parenteral products? Answer: to achieve sterility. 335. What is the role of phosphates in buffer systems? Answer: pH stabilizers. 336. What is the function of an efflux pump inhibitor in drug formulations? Answer: to enhance drug absorption. 337. What is the purpose of calibration in analytical instruments? Answer: to ensure accuracy. 338. What is the role of gelatin in soft gelatin capsules? Answer: shell material. 339. What is the function of amber-colored glass vials? Answer: to protect from light. 340. What is the purpose of secondary packaging in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to provide additional protection. 341. What is the role of sodium citrate in anticoagulant solutions? Answer: chelating agent. 342. What is the function of a freeze dryer in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer: to perform lyophilization. 343. What is the purpose of overages in vitamin formulations? Answer: to compensate for potency loss. 344. What is the role of isopropyl myristate in transdermal patches? Answer: penetration enhancer. 345. What is the function of a rotary cone vacuum dryer? Answer: to dry heat sensitive materials. 346. What is the purpose of microbial limit testing in non-sterile products? Answer: to ensure microbial quality. 347. What is the role of parenteral nutrition solutions? Answer: to provide nutrients intravenously. 348. What is the function of a microbalance in laboratories? Answer: to weigh small quantities. 349. What is the purpose of validation in pharmaceutical production? Answer: to ensure process consistency. 350. What is the role of a lubricant in tablet manufacturing? Answer: to reduce friction. 351. What is the function of talc in tablet formulations? Answer: glutant. 352. What is the purpose of water for injection WFI in sterile preparations? Answer: solvent for parenterals. 353. What is the role of butylated hydroxytoluene (BHT) in formulations? Answer: antioxidant. 354. What is the function of a stability indicating assay? Answer: to measure drug stability. 355. What is the purpose of freeze-thaw testing in formulations? Answer: to evaluate stability under extreme conditions. 356. What is the role of sodium lauryl sulfate in emulsions? Answer: surfactant. 357. What is the function of glass ampoules in parenteral packaging? Answer: to provide sterile containment. 358. What is the purpose of a refractometer in quality control? Answer: to measure refractive index. 359. What is the role of magnesium stearate in tablets? Answer: lubricant. 360. What is the function of a coating pan in tablet production? Answer: to apply coatings. 361. What is the purpose of the sterility test for medical devices? Answer: to confirm they are free of viable microorganisms. 362. What is the role of an isotonizing agent in eye drops? Answer: to adjust tonicity. 363. What is the function of a hot air oven in sterilization? Answer: to sterilize using dry heat. 364. What is the purpose of endotoxin testing in injectables? Answer: to detect pyrogens. 365. What is the role of mannitol in lyophilized products? Answer: bulking agent. 366. What is the function of a colorimeter in quality analysis? Answer: to measure color intensity. 367. What is the purpose of moisture content analysis in powders? Answer: to determine water content. 368. What is the role of a chelating agent in formulations? Answer: to bind metal ions. 369. What is the function of an autoclave in sterilization? Answer: to sterilize using steam. 370. What is the purpose of strip packaging in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to protect individual doses. 371. What is the role of polyethylene in syringes? Answer: plastic material for construction. 372. What is the function of a UV spectrophotometer? Answer: to measure absorbance. 373. What is the purpose of a dissolution enhancer in capsules? Answer: to increase drug solubility. 374. What is the role of zinc oxide in topical preparations? Answer: protective agent. 375. What is the function of a thermocouple in equipment? Answer: to measure temperature. 376. What is the purpose of particle size analysis in suspensions? Answer: to ensure uniformity. 377. What is the role of benzyl alcohol in injectables? Answer: preservative. 378. What is the function of a laminar airflow hood in laboratories? Answer: to provide a sterile environment. 379. What is the purpose of sodium metabisulfite in injectables? Answer: antioxidant. 380. What is the role of calcium carbonate in antacids? Answer: acid neutralizer. 381. What is the function of a desiccator in laboratories? Answer: to maintain a dry environment. 382. What is the purpose of blister packaging in tablets? Answer: to protect from environmental exposure. 383. What is the role of glycerol monostearate in emulsions? Answer: emulsifier. 384. What is the function of a polarimeter in analysis? Answer: to measure optical rotation. 385. What is the purpose of a buffer in pharmaceutical formulations? Answer: to maintain pH stability. 386. What is the role of sucrose in syrups? Answer: sweetener and viscosity enhancer. 387. What is the function of a fluid bed dryer? Answer: to dry granules. 388. What is the purpose of steam sterilization in aseptic manufacturing? Answer: to achieve sterility. 389. What is the role of sodium alginate in suspensions? Answer: thickening agent. 390. What is the function of an incubator in microbiology? Answer: to support microbial growth. 391. What is the purpose of an oxygen scavenger in packaging? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 392. What is the role of titanium dioxide in sunscreen? Answer: UV blocker. 393. What is the function of a hardness tester in tablet production? Answer: to test tablet strength. 394. What is the purpose of using granulation in tablet production? Answer: to improve powder flow. 395. What is the role of a surfactant in emulsions? Answer: to reduce surface tension. 396. What is the function of a vacuum pump in lyophilization? Answer: to create a vacuum. 397. What is the purpose of primary packaging in pharmaceuticals? Answer: to directly contain the product. 398. What is the role of ethanol in tinctures? Answer: solvent. 399. What is the function of a pressure filter in manufacturing? Answer: to remove particulates. 400. What is the purpose of a preservative in liquid formulations? Answer: to prevent microbial growth. 401. What is the role of a stabilizer in emulsions? Answer: to maintain emulsion stability. 402. What is the function of a viscometer in quality control? Answer: to measure viscosity. 403. What is the purpose of gamma radiation in sterilization? Answer: to sterilize medical products. 404. What is the role of lactose in tablets? Answer: filler. 405. What is the function of a rotary tablet press? Answer: to compress tablets. 406. What is the purpose of Karl Fischer titration in analysis? Answer: to determine water content. 407. What is the role of chitosan in pharmaceutical formulations? Answer: controlled release agent. 408. What is the function of polyethylene glycol PEG in ointments? Answer: base. 409. What is the purpose of leak testing in ampules? Answer: to detect leaks. 410. What is the role of citric acid in effervescent tablets? Answer: acid source for effervescence. 411. What is the function of a homogenizer in emulsions? Answer: to create uniform droplets. 412. What is the purpose of particulate matter testing in injectables? Answer: to ensure the absence of visible particles. 413. What is the role of sorbitol in syrups? Answer: sweetener. 414. What is the function of nitrogen flushing in packaging? Answer: to remove oxygen. 415. What is the purpose of a friability test in tablets? Answer: to measure tablet durability. 416. What is the role of kaolin in antidiarrheal products? Answer: adsorbent. 417. What is the function of phosphate buffers in formulations? Answer: to maintain pH. 418. What is the purpose of a thermostatic water bath in labs? Answer: to maintain a constant temperature. 419. What is the role of benzalkonium chloride in eye drops? Answer: preservative. 420. What is the function of a spectrofluorimeter in analysis? Answer: to measure fluorescence. 421. What is the purpose of a disintegrant in tablets? Answer: to facilitate tablet breakup. 422. What is the role of a silicate gel in packaging? Answer: moisture absorber. 423. What is the function of a pH meter in laboratories? Answer: to measure pH. 424. What is the purpose of lyophilization in drug manufacturing? Answer: to improve product stability. 425. What is the role of dimethyl sulfoxide (DMSO) in drug delivery? Answer: solvent. 426. What is the function of a sieve shaker in granulation? Answer. To separate particles by size. 427. What is the purpose of a binder in tablet formulations? Answer. To provide cohesion. 428. What is the role of silver sulfadiazine in burn creams? Answer. Antimicrobial agent. 429. What is the function of an oil phase in creams? Answer. To provide emollient properties. 430. What is the purpose of accelerated stability testing? Answer. To predict product shelf life. 431. What is the role of polysorbates in formulations? Answer. Surfactants. 432. What is the function of a Coulter counter in analysis? Answer. To count particles. 433. What is the purpose of thermal analysis in quality control? Answer. To study heat-related changes. 434. What is the role of a softgel capsule shell? Answer. To enclose liquid or semi-solid drugs. 435. What is the function of a sealing machine in packaging? Answer. To seal containers. 436. What is the purpose of microbial limit testing in quality control? Answer. To ensure microbial safety. 437. What is the role of starch in tablet formulations? Answer. Disintegrant. 438. What is the function of isopropyl alcohol in sanitization? Answer. Disinfectant. 439. What is the purpose of enteric coatings in tablets? Answer. To protect from stomach acid. 440. What is the role of an emulsifier in lotions? Answer. To stabilize the emulsion. 441. What is the function of a refractometer in quality testing? Answer. To measure refractive index. 442. What is the purpose of a pyrogen test in injectables? Answer. To detect fever-inducing substances. 443. What is the role of glycerin in cough syrups? Answer. Humectant. 444. What is the function of a fluid bed granulator? Answer. To mix and granulate powders. 445. What is the purpose of an antimicrobial agent in creams? Answer. To prevent microbial growth. 446. What is the role of titanium dioxide in tablet coatings? Answer. Opacifier. 447. What is the function of a laser diffraction analyzer? Answer. To measure particle size. 448. What is the purpose of sodium chloride in nasal sprays? Answer. Tonicity adjuster. 449. What is the role of formaldehyde in vaccine production? Answer. Inactivating agent. 450. What is the function of a tablet punch in compression machines? Answer. To shape the tablets. 451. What is the role of sodium bicarbonate in effervescent formulations? Answer. To release carbon dioxide. 452. What is the function of a tablet hardness tester? Answer. To measure the strength of tablets. 453. What is the purpose of glycerol in pharmaceutical formulations? Answer: humectant and plasticizer. 454. What is the role of a liposomal carrier in drug delivery? Answer: to improve drug bioavailability. 455. What is the function of microcrystalline cellulose in tablet formulations? Answer: binder and filler. 456. What is the purpose of a dissolution apparatus in drug testing? Answer: to measure the rate of drug release. 457. What is the role of a surfactant in drug formulations? Answer: to reduce surface tension and enhance solubility. 458. What is the function of an isopropyl alcohol solution in pharmaceutical sanitization? Answer: to disinfect surfaces. 459. What is the purpose of a moisture barrier in packaging? Answer: to prevent moisture absorption. 460. What is the role of polyvinyl alcohol in drug delivery systems? Answer: film forming agent. 461. What is the function of a powder flow tester? Answer: to measure powder flow properties. 462. What is the purpose of a solvent in drug extraction? Answer: to dissolve the active ingredient. 463. What is the role of sodium chloride in parenteral formulations? Answer: to adjust isotonicity. 464. What is the function of a dissolution medium in drug testing? Answer: to simulate the environment of the digestive tract. 465. What is the purpose of an inert gas in drug packaging? Answer: to prevent oxidation and degradation. 466. What is the role of activated charcoal in pharmaceutical formulations? Answer: adsorbent. 467. What is the function of a tablet press in tablet manufacturing? Answer: to compress powder into tablet form. 468. What is the purpose of an excipient in drug formulation? Answer: to aid in the manufacturing process or enhance drug properties. 469. What is the role of magnesium hydroxide in pharmaceutical preparations? Answer: antacid. 470. What is the function of a laboratory oven in drug testing? Answer: to dry and sterilize equipment. 471. What is the purpose of a wetting agent in suspensions? Answer: to improve wetting of solid particles. 472. What is the role of polyethylene glycol PEG in drug formulations? Answer: solvent and viscosity modifier. 473. What is the function of a humidity chamber in pharmaceutical testing? Answer: to control and test the effects of humidity on formulations. 474. What is the purpose of a tablet disintegration test? Answer: to determine how quickly a tablet breaks down in a specified medium. 475. What is the role of a gelatin capsule in drug delivery? Answer: to encase powder or liquid medications. 476. What is the function of a water bath in laboratory applications? Answer: to maintain a constant temperature for samples. 477. What is the purpose of a content uniformity test in tablet production? Answer: to ensure consistent drug content across tablets. 478. What is the role of an antimicrobial preservative in pharmaceutical products? Answer: to inhibit microbial growth and extend shelf life. 479. What is the function of a high-performance liquid chromatography (HPLC) system? Answer: to separate and identify components of a mixture. 480. What is the purpose of a syringe filter in drug manufacturing? Answer: to remove particles from liquid formulations. 481. What is the role of sodium stearate in tablet formulations? Answer: lubricant. 482. What is the function of a compaction simulator in tablet production? Answer: to simulate the compaction process for quality control. 483. What is the purpose of a density test in powder analysis? Answer: to measure powder packing and flow properties. 484. What is the role of acetone in pharmaceutical formulations? Answer: solvent. 485. What is the function of an incubator in microbial testing? Answer: to maintain a controlled temperature for bacterial growth. 486. What is the purpose of an antioxidant in drug formulations? Answer: to prevent degradation of drugs due to oxidation. 487. What is the role of sodium citrate in pharmaceutical preparations? Answer: buffer and anticoagulant. 488. What is the function of a tablet compression machine? Answer: to compress granules into tablets. 489. What is the purpose of a sterility test in injectable products? Answer: to confirm that the product is free from microorganisms. 490. What is the role of poloxamer in drug formulations? Answer: surfactant and emulsifier. 491. What is the function of a membrane filter in drug sterilization? Answer: to remove microorganisms from liquids. 492. What is the purpose of a pH indicator in formulations? Answer: to visually indicate the pH of a solution. 493. What is the role of sodium carbonate in drug formulations? Answer: buffering agent. 494. What is the function of a tap density tester? Answer: to determine the packing properties of powders. 495. What is the purpose of a dissolution rate test in pharmaceutical analysis? Answer: to determine the rate at which a drug dissolves in a solvent. 496. What is the role of carbomer in gel formulations? Answer: thickening agent. 497. What is the function of a melting point apparatus in drug analysis? Answer: to determine the melting point of a substance. 498. What is the purpose of a bioavailability study in drug development? Answer: to assess the extent and rate of drug absorption. 499. What is the role of sodium lauryl sulfate in drug formulations? Answer: surfactant. 500. What is the function of a spectrophotometer in pharmaceutical analysis? Answer: to measure the amount of light absorbed by a substance. For more, you can contact us. Regards, Majid Body Advocate, PhD Scholar, Pharmaceutics LLB, Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacist Association PPA Punjab. Contact +923214042036. Thank you.